Okay, guys. Now let's see. So now we understood every web element, it contains some name or ID. So for this web element, what is the name? Just right click and click on inspect. Name has been given username. Similarly for password, just right click and click on inspect. Name has been given password. For login button, name not given, or ID also it has not been given. We will see for forgot your password. Just click on inspect. Even forgot password also developer has not given name or ID. Okay, so that's what we understood. So now let's go into jump into the Selenium program now. So under this package, I want to automate login page. So first what I'm doing is I'm doing right click under this package and I'm going to create a testng class file. So under this package, right click, go to testng, click on create testng class. And the class name, you can give some relevant name. So I'm giving login page. Click on finish. So public class login page and the method by default name f got populated. F means function. So I'm renaming the method name as login. Okay, up to here we already discussed. Okay. Okay. So the next point immediately we have to write a declaration. So I'm doing declaration section WebDriver. What is this WebDriver? I will tell you in the next class. So I declared an object. So this section we can call it as a declaration, variable section, or objects section. So I declared an object called WebDriver. Okay, and I'm saving the program. So here, when I keep the mouse over here, the system is asking to import WebDriver. Just I'm clicking on import WebDriver. Right, guys. Import WebDriver got imported. Okay. So this is the line. These lines, line number 3 and line number 4, we can call it as a supporting libraries. So if you remove this line, line number 3, WebDriver will be highlighted as an error. Just keep the mouse over and import WebDriver. That's it. Supporting library got added. The next one is inside the method, we will write actual coding part. So I'm going to write driver is equal to new Chrome driver. So whenever this line executed, Chrome browser will be launched automatically, guys. So to launch a Chrome browser, we need to write like this. So I'm keeping Chrome driver supporting library, import Chrome driver. See, that error got gone, that error has been removed and supporting library added automatically. And after that, and I'm writing one more line, driver dot, these we can call it as a set of driver commands. Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. In every program, these first 4 lines are common. In every Selenium program, the first 4 lines are common. Okay, next line is driver dot get application URL I have to write. So what is the application URL we are seeing? Login. So this is the application URL. Control C. Control. And I'm saving the program, guys. So I have written login page. I declared an WebDriver object. Driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Chrome browser window will be launched. And after that, that window will be maximized. And this application URL will be launched automatically. Okay, let's run this program and we will see. And I'm doing login page, right click, run as testng test. See, Chrome browser launched, it's maximized, and application URL was entered, it's automatically. Suppose if I want to launch Amazon website, so this line I'm keeping comment. and I'm writing, if the line is in comment, that line it won't be executed. To keep a line comment, just you need to append a double slash. So https://amazon.in. So whichever website that you want to automate, simply you need to write, and I'm saving the program. Right click, run as test-ng test. So Amazon website got opened. Okay, guys. So now, anyway, I'm keeping this line as comment. So now we understood. Okay, in every Selenium program, we will write one common line. I will tell that important line comment next class. So we will write, what is that? We will write one important thing as this line. Okay, right. What is the importance of this line? I will tell you in the next class. But this line we will write, this is the line we will write in every Selenium program. The importance I will tell in next class. You can write wherever you want. Once maximized, I'm writing this line. Okay, implicit wait. So this line we can call it as a implicit wait. Okay, right. Application URL got launched. And after that, we need to enter username and we need to enter password and we need to click on login button. Okay. So let's go to the some line of code. So driver dot find element by name, username had been given, and driver dot find element by name, password had been given. So, and I'm removing this one. So after adding these two commands, what will happen? Let's understand. So again, right click on login page, right click, run as test-ng test. So if you want to enter by name, what is the name has been given? Username. By name has been given password. So username will be entered admin and password got entered admin123. And if I want to click on login button, developer has not given name or ID for login button. So for that, what I am doing is developer has not given name or ID. So I'm clicking on these three dots and I'm going to copy and I'm clicking on copy XPath. So let's go to the Eclipse and paste it here. So this is called login button XPath. So I'm removing double quotations and changing to single quotation. So I'm writing one more line command, Control C, driver dot find element by XPath. If it is name, you need to write name. If it is by ID, you need to write ID. If it is by name, you need to write name. So here the XPath is this one. The XPath you need to write it within double quotation. So after that, I am writing dot click. So on a login button, generally we will do click operation. See, this is the first part. We can call it as a web element. Yes. Did I started recording or not? Okay. Okay. So the first section we can call it as a web element, and the second section we can call it as on a web element. If you want type some value, you need to write send keys, and on the web element I want to type admin, and in the second web element I want to type admin123, and the first part we can call it as a web element. So this is a web element. So but login button developer had not given name or ID. So I'm identifying that web element based on that web element XPath, and I'm doing click operation on that web element. Okay, let's save this program and run it again. Run as stng test. So driver is equal to new Chrome driver launched, maximized, application URL is invoked, and username admin, password admin123, and login button got clicked. It's navigated to homepage, guys. So the important things you need to understand how to launch a Chrome browser. To launch a Chrome browser, line number 19 is important. To maximize the window, we need to write line number 20. So first 4 lines are common in every program. Okay, first 4 lines are common. To automate which of the website you are automating, you need to write in line number 4. And if it is a text field, you need to know what is the name or ID developer had given. And you need to write this command, driver dot find element by name. If developer has not given name, if he provided ID, then you need to write driver dot find element by ID. In case developer has not given name or ID, so you can take XPath. And if you want to perform click operation, just write dot click. If you want to type some value, you can write send keys. That's it. So this much easy, guys, writing of Selenium code. So just you have to put a small attention whether you need to write send keys or click. Whenever you want to type some value on a text field, just you need to write send keys. So just right click, click on inspect, again click on inspect. So developer had given name is equal to username. So driver dot find element by name, username we have written. So on login button, developer has not given name or ID. Just right click, click on inspect. Click on developer has not given name or ID. Just click on these 3 dots, copy XPath, go to Eclipse and paste it here. Remove the double quotations and rename it to single quotation in the XPath. And driver dot find element by XPath, instead of name I have written XPath, and within the double quotation I mentioned all the XPath and I have written dot click. That's it, guys. So like that we have automated login page. Okay, so line number 21 importance I will tell you in next classes. Okay, but in every Selenium program, so the first 4 lines are common, and if it is text fields, just you will write send keys. If it is click operation, just you will write click operation. So generally in any of the websites, what we will do, we will type something or we will do click operation. So the first part, the first section, we can call it as a web element, and the second section we can call it as a web element operation. Web element operation, it could be send keys or it could be click operation. That's what you need to understand. So that's it, guys, on the login page, how to automate a login page. This is the first program in Selenium. In tomorrow's class, we will do more examples. So you can come to know the more examples and more exercises. You will get the idea. So that's it for today's class. Okay, let me stop the recording.